Marco with White Crane Kung Fu. Woo! I have a fan now. All right, so forms are great, and one of the biggest things that you hear about a lot of the Chinese martial arts is like, okay, guys, form looks great. What do you do with them? Okay, somebody comes up, jabs you in the face, comes up with the crosses and swings. What are you gonna do? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna highlight some couple applications. Of course, this takes a little while to train, and there's a lot of principles between the styles. So we'll do a little right crane application. So first, I'll go ahead and show you what the application looks like just in the form. And then we're gonna go step by step, and of course I won't have the microphone on, so I won't have to yell it out, so bear with me. Okay? And to help me out is Ken. He's gonna be my dummy. All right, so hold on. So, without any actual person who's doing the form, all you may see is something like this. And that looks, okay, kind of fast, furious. What just happened? Is that going to help me in any way? Okay? So, let's just take a couple scenarios. Now, let's granted, he is about my speed, he's about my strength, right? So if he punches way faster than me, there's no way you can beat him anyway. So there's a little bit of, he's around my level. So when he punches, I'm just going to hook him while controlling him over here. So I'm on the outside, so that, for example, you don't want to go in here. He's just going to hit me. So on the outside, I've got big arms, and I'm just going to hook him. Right here. Now let's say he's pretty good. Okay? So he's going to block. Wow. That's a good block. Now what? So as part of the form, it teaches you to move with it. So what we're going to do is, as soon as you feel this, you want to move with it and move down. Because now, what you have is, when you get to here, your leg is behind his leg. So if you got his center of gravity, you can toss it down. I won't do that too. It's kind of hard here. So, but let's say he's really good. He's much better. So I'm going to hit him. I'm going to try to trip him. He's like, no way. He's much better. All right? That's where the leg goes. So that 2-3 move sequence has a lot of applications in it. Now, because there's too many applications, a lot of times, I don't know about you, but when there's too many choices, I don't know what to choose. So then what happens is you run into the possibility of learning too much, not applying the right thing. Or you apply the right thing and everybody knows it's coming from 20 miles away, so they block it right away. So there's a lot of, it's like a dance, you know, there's a lot of circumstantial, situational things that's happening during a fight. It's very, very non-choreographed. But some of these forms and some of these applications, as you learn from your styles, help you deal with that from a school standpoint. So, I just realized I didn't have to yell. All right. So, after all that, what we're going to do is we're going to welcome the Lion Dancing Troupe guys come back and now demonstrate a little bit of their style. And, he's got a big fork. He's ready. So, welcome. Ready when you are.